Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Miss Beth's place, or should I say Miss Beth's car. I thought I would carry y'all along with me today to my gym, and later on when we get home, maybe I'll make you some cookies. So stay tuned and I'll show you around.
Here we are. Let's go inside.
And how old are you, Mr. Joe?
Be 67 June.
Awesome. How many other 60, 70 years olds do you know that looks that good? I don't know very many 40-year-olds that look that good.
Not many. But it's all about consistency and a change of lifestyle.
Amen. Good, healthy living.
Well, just the biggest thing is just a lifestyle change and quit running the roads and drinking and partying and eat somewhat decent. Work out every day or
I
at
agree.
least.
That bulldog on your arm's just barking.
Be barking. You are.
How you doing today, young man?
I'm good. Ready to get back at it.
All right.
What's that?
Good to see you.
Good to
I'm making a
see you, too.
video.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Tell me how much you like the gym.
I love it. 10 out of 10.
What about the owner?
I love the owner, too. The
Aw,
Beth
you so sweet. Thank you.
owner. Yes, ma'am.
Have a good workout.
I'm going to try.
Hello.
Hey, are you a member here?
I'm not.
Did you sign in?
I just kind of stole a membership. Y'all haven't caught on that I'm.
Oh, you stole it? What about you?
I have one.
Good girl. Thank you. So I came in this morning to find that my toilets, that toilet in particular, had flooded last night or yesterday evening after I had left. And my people that was working are young and they don't know how to clean up, so I had about 2 or 3 inches of water in this carpet, and I'm currently trying to suck all the water out of it. Had to remop all the floors. This is my CrossFit area. My big rugs, brand new rugs that I had just bought. My boy decided to take them out of the bathrooms because they were wet and throw them out the back door. Well, it's Crackville out there behind the gym and just left them out there. So I'm currently trying to dry them out with my big fan up here. And if not, I'm gonna have to run them down to the laundromat and throw them in the dryer. So that was my situation today. It's about typical when you own a gym. Okay, so I had to go to the laundromat and dry my rugs. All nice and dry again. Tell you what, it's like the 3rd time in 2 weeks that this bathroom right here has been flooded. Got everything cleaned up again though. I love my gym, but oh my gosh, people can make such messes, especially teenagers. It's the women's room. So, anyways, that's just a day in the life of a gym owner. I'm so glad y'all came by to visit with me. And I will be back with you shortly. I'm I'm gonna make some cookies at home. Who's the beast right there? Warren, the beast. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Earlier today, y'all spent the day with me at my gym, and I promised y'all I would make y'all some monster cookies tonight, or some cookies, but I'm choosing to make monster cookies. So I'm going to read the recipe for you, and I think because they call them monster cookies is because they have everything in the book on, kind of like kitchen sink cookies. So here we go. It's got 2 sticks of butter. It's got brown sugar, peanut butter, eggs, vanilla, all-purpose flour, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, baking powder, quick oats, M&M candies, chocolate chips, and I've got some peanut butter chips also, whatever kind of candy you want to put in them. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have 2 sticks of butter that are, I'd say, not room temperature. It's melted. Mine's really, really soft. It's not melted totally. All right, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar that's packed, and that just means that it's down in this cup, and there's as much in it in that 1 cup as you can get in it. So throw that in there. All right. Then the next thing we're going to add is a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So I got that packed in there too. They might be a little bit more than 1/2 cup. But we like peanut butter. Throw that over there. All right, and then 1 egg. Got my egg here. Throw that in. Now, last time I was cooking, I had a black mixer. That's because as I was cooking, my mixer fell off in the floor and broke. So I had to get a new mixer. Ain't this pretty? I love this color. So I'm going to mix this on low till everything's all stirred in together. The brown sugar, the peanut butter, the 2 sticks of butter, and the egg. Well, that smells good. I'm going to try not to break this mixer. So let me stir this around the edges and get it all back down in there. That's good. Okay. Now, our next batch of ingredients, I've got 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And I got these all portioned out, so it's quick. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's baking soda now, not baking powder, because we got baking powder too. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That makes everything rise and get kind of fluffy. We're going to add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. That's all the flour that's in here. One teaspoon of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Because you got to have a little salty to bring out the sugary sweet flavor. So that's the vanilla, all-purpose flour, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, and baking powder. I'm going to give it a little stir on low. Give it a mix till everything's all together. Stir around the bowl, get all of it back down in there because it's trying to come up out of there. All right. Now, the next to the last ingredient, or almost the last ingredient, is we got 1.5 cups of quick oats. Quick oats, not the ones you cook all day. Throw them in there. Give it another mix. Y'all, this is going to be so good. Woo! I love oatmeal cookies. I love M&M cookies. I love peanut butter cookies. This is like having all your favorite cookies in one cookie. That's what it looks like so far. You getting this? Okay. Now, I have M&Ms. You can use M&Ms. You can use the ones with peanuts in them if you want. Your favorite candy. So I've got about, I'd say about half a cup. Because I'm going to throw some on top when I get it all mixed up and on my pan. I've got peanut butter chips and I've got milk chocolate morsels. Again, you can use any kind of candy you want. But this right here is going to be good, y'all. Now, I'm going to stir this in with my spoon. I don't want to break up my M&Ms. Oh, this looks so good. That looks so yummy, y'all. Oh, my goodness. I think it needs more M&Ms. Ain't never have too many of those. When I go to the mall, y'all ever eat the M&M cookies or any kind of cookies at the mall? They are so good. But I love the M&M ones at the mall. Oh, yeah, that looks great. Maybe a few more of the... I got semi-sweet chocolate morsels. You can use the... Oh, no, these are the sweet ones. Yeah, these are the milk chocolate. Not semi-sweet. Not a lot of sugar in this recipe, just that little bit of brown sugar. Alrighty. Got that mixed together. Now, let me move this out of the way. Move my mixer out of the way so I don't knock it off and break it again. Now, I don't have one of them fancy ice cream scoopers with a little thing that scoops it out. So, I'm going to try this. I'm going to try to get them about that big. I'm going to put these on my pan. I'm going to put about, oh gosh, I might better get another pan. I have my cookie sheet with some parchment paper on them because I don't want them to stick. This is going to make a lot of cookies, y'all. I'm just probably going to put about 6 or 8 on this pan. And then I'm probably going to cook these, and then if I like the size of these, then I may cook the rest of them that size. I do like a not too big cookie, but these look like they're going to be just the right size. Let's put some on this side. I'm going to enjoy eating these after a while with a big glass of cold milk. I like to put ice in my milk. Anybody else put ice in theirs? Those are going to be good. All right, I'm going to do 9 cookies to start with. I'm going to put them in the oven. Now, I've got it at 350, and I'm going to bake these about 10 to 12 minutes. Again, I'm going to check them, and if they don't look like they're done, I'll put them in there keep them in there a little while longer. So, those are pretty good sized cookies. So, let's see what we got. Okay, our cookies are out of the oven. I baked them on 350 for about 13, 14 minutes. Now, I did have some pretty good sized cookies on this sheet. This is the first time I've made this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know when y'all bake these. If you put big scoops, you be prepared to leave more space. I only put 9 cookies on this sheet and they ran together a little bit. That's okay, because they be just as good. So let me get this right here. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to get one off here for you. Don't that look yummy? Let me get me a little plate. Now, this is the first time I've made these. So, if they're good, I'm going to let you know. If they're not good, I'll let you know that too. They're a little crunchy. Now, I always eat my cookies with a fork. I don't know why, but I do. It's hot. These are really good. A little flaky. Not real crunchy because I didn't cook them that long. I like my cookies soft. Oh, these are good. Very peanut buttery, oatmeal-y. I think they'll probably be a little bit better when they cool off just a little bit. They'll stick together better. But these are really good, y'all. Oh, I forgot to get my milk and my ice. I'll do that a little bit when I ain't on the camera. But y'all should try these. They're monster cookies. If you like everything in your cookies, if you like chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, peanut butter. Oh, it's got everything. The oatmeal. I love oatmeal cookies because they just have a good texture. And oatmeal's good for you. So, y'all try these. And let me know what y'all's favorite cookie is. With these, you just get everything all in one cookie. But let me know what your favorite cookie is. Comment, subscribe if you hadn't already. And then, hey, y'all have a blessed night. And I'll see you on the next video.
Hey, how you doing?